In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a OneNote notebook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing notebook into OneNote so you can pick up right where you left off. Before we start, make sure you have the OneNote app installed on your computer and the notebook file saved somewhere you can find it, like your downloads, documents, or a project folder. OneNote can import common formats such as .1pkg, a OneNote package, and individual tablet1 section files. First, open the OneNote app on your computer. If you use multiple versions, such as the desktop OneNote and the Microsoft Store edition, open the one you prefer to keep using so the notebook is added to the right place. If you're signed into an account, OneNote can also sync your notebook to the cloud after import, but you can work locally too. Next, look to the top of the window and select the File tab. This takes you to what's called the Backstage view, where you handle tasks like opening, saving, and managing notebooks. It's designed to keep these actions separate from your writing space, so you won't accidentally change content while you're managing files. Choose Open. You'll see options like opening from your recent list, from your computer, or from a cloud location. If your notebook isn't listed, use the Browse option to locate it manually. Navigate to the folder where your notebook file is stored. Now select your OneNote file. If it's a 1pkg package, you're importing a whole notebook at once. If you only have a one files, those are sections, OneNote will bring them in and let you assemble the notebook as needed. If you don't see your file, change the file type filter to show all OneNote formats and double check you're in the correct folder. Click Open. OneNote will begin importing the contents. For a package file, you may be prompted to choose a destination or a name. Accept the defaults or pick a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Larger notebooks with many sections or embedded files can take a bit of time to load. Once it finishes, you'll see the notebook appear in your notebook list with its sections and pages intact. That's it. Your notebook is now available in OneNote, ready to edit, search, and sync. If you plan to access it on other devices, confirm that syncing is enabled. And if you import it from a package, consider checking a few pages to ensure everything came through as expected. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.